Hello students, welcome to environmental sampling and quality assessment. We'll continue model exam on environmental sampling and quality assessment from chapter 2, which is based on the harmonized curriculum of environmental health science and helpful for you to prepare yourself for national exit exam. Let's get started. In which steps of the gravimetric analysis is the solid forming from the solution? Yes, that is at the precipitation. The answer is B. What happened after the digestion step in the gravimetric analysis? Yes, filtration. What is a desirable characteristic of the precipitation in the gravimetric analysis regarding its solubility? Yes, insoluble. Why is it important for the precipitate to have a known composition? That is to allow for accurate calculation and identification. Which of the following is not characteristic of an ideal precipitate? Yes, high solubility. Which method is used for determining the amount of calcium in a water? Precipitation method. Which reagent is added to water to precipitate calcium? Yes, ammonium oxalate. What happened? What types of ions are involved in the formation of precipitate? Both positive and negative. What is the primary technique used in volumetric analysis? Yes, titration. In titration, what is the name of the solution of the known concentration? Yes, titrant. What is the purpose of burette in titration? Yes, to dispense the titrant accurately. That's all for today. See you next time.